Well, started collecting some firewood. I'm gonna need a lot more. I have enough to get my fire going. Excuse me, but I won't have nearly enough for the night. I'm gonna have to go down and take down another small tree somewhere, maybe even two. Those trees, you know, they burn up pretty fast. So, plus I'll need fire for breakfast, and, you know, in the morning and breakfast. So, I'm crooked again. Dang it! I need like a little. I should stick a little level underneath the view screen so I know if I'm level. Kind of running low energy today too. I worked like 2 14-hour shifts this last week for work because, you know, we're short a guy, but we just hired somebody, so next week it should be back to normal. So, you know, plus there's a matter of my feet because I have neuropathy in both feet. You know, every time I walk around, it's like my feet are like this, so I end up stumbling. Basically, I'm walking around with my feet kind of feeling it. They feel like they do this, so I stumble a lot. So I might be a limited run here. How many more years I can actually get out here, unless I make some major life changes, which I should be doing anyway. But man, the bugs. Give me a break, guys. Two hits of bug spray already, and like, why do they have to always fly right in your face? You know, hit my arm, get a drink, move on. But no, it's always the face. Like, hey, what's up? Just saying hi. Alrighty, so what I got here is I got my smalls to get my fire started. Because last few trips out here, I actually had some wood left over that was under a log, and it was dry, so, or at least it would be dry enough when I finally get the fire going. And then back over here. Alright, so I got these long ones here, and you know, they stretch out a ways. But rather than sitting here sawing them all through, I'm going to make my fire, burn up what I've got cut, which is over here. See that little pile right here? I'll burn that up. And then as I need a log or two, I'll just go cut one off, throw it on the fire. So I'm not sitting here sawing a whole bunch of wood. And this guy behind me, it's got a bunch of branches on it. It's the top of a tree that was laying down. So it will be tomorrow's breakfast fire, because I got all those smalls. I can get my fire going and just cut that down, do my fire or make breakfast, and then figure out what I'm going to do after that. So I think I'm good to go for the night. I should have enough fuel. If not, well, maybe I'll go to bed early. I don't know, we'll see. I should have enough. It's only the camera said it was 226, so I believe it. I don't know if I adjusted for daylight savings, so it might be 326, I don't know. But I should have enough fuel, I think. So, fingers crossed. Alright, so priority is I need to hydrate, finish drinking this off. And once the water's gone, I'm going to go and filter more. And fill this up, fill up the other, and fill up the other container. I need to fill that too. So I'm good for water for the night. Man, these bugs. Outrageous. Get out of my hair. Wow, these bugs are just... So I think here's what I'm going to do. Just finish my water, so I'm going to go filter. I'm going to take you guys with me to go filter. I'm going to go filter. Excuse me, when I get back, I'm going to light the fire, and hopefully the smoke will drive these little jerks away. They're ruining my buzz, man. They're killing my buzz, I should say. They're just aggressive. Dang. Yeah, I expect some bugs, but it's like, come on, man. Oh, so maybe the fire will help. It's the, as I said, Ketadine Hiker Pro, which you can't see. If I dropped. And I like it. You know, it's a decent filter. It's not lightweight by any means, but you know, it's not crazy heavy. The bags it came in fell apart, so I just threw them in zip top bags. It's been a while since I've used this. I don't think I used it at all last year, so this one here should be what goes in the water. This is what goes in the water, and then it should be, trying to remember which way it goes now. Oh, so this is out. So this is in. So it goes in like this. Wow, I guess you can't see anything today. Inlet hose. This is heat out. This one has a convenient plunger that just sticks right in the bottle. Which I can show you. It pops right in on top, and then you just filter in. And then we'll do the same for this one here. Just stick that in there and fill it up. So let's get to filtering. Why, did it fall over the whole time? Right. In. I think I got these backwards. I think it's supposed to be like this. I think it's supposed to go out. I think I got that backwards. Which means I just pump river water into my bottle, but I'll rinse it out with clean water. Should be fine. Did I do that wrong? Okay.